צהריים טובים וכולם. Good afternoon everybody. Hope you're having a good Monday. Hi from Lily and hi from me. We're here this morning to do awards assembly. So I'm going to put Lily down and pick up her awards. So some of you have not had a Head Teacher's Award or an Achievement Award for a very long time. So I'm very pleased that your teachers have been monitoring everything that you've been doing and they've sent me through some names for your assembly. So welcome, and I'm going to start off with reception. So in week Aleph, Miss Lucy is very impressed with Isabella for building your own amazing rocket ship and working really hard on all of your home learning, so well done. And Esme for drawing a brilliant alien called Serona, and you made a wonderful video explaining all about it. Kol hakavod. In week Bet, we have Alba, who has been working incredibly hard on the online platforms this week and has racked up an incredible 35.1 hours on reading eggs. My goodness me, Alba, you're going to be a better reader than Miss Bear very soon. And Elizabeth S has been working very hard on practicing your number bonds to 10 to 20. And this week, you've been creating your own time capsule to look back on in years to come. Elizabeth, you've given me an idea for what we can do at Mosaic in the summer. Kol hakavod to you two. And in Bali Aleph, we have got Lemuel and Matthew for working so hard this week and interacting on all of your platforms. So kol hakavod. And Ms. Brown's class, we've got Camille and Shafia, and I know you've had a shout out this morning already, so well done to you guys. But you have been fantastic engaging in all of the platforms last week, and Miss Brown is very impressed with you. And last but not least, Grape Aleph. Uni in Grape Aleph has been completing all of the challenges and even trying out something a little bit harder, so well done Uni. And Nancy for finding your own word of the day and creating your own sentences about it. Kol hakavod, and look out because in the post your certificates will be coming to you along with a little surprise.